Today I'm sharing how to make a super easy appetizer recipe using the freshest ingredients. This black olive tapenade recipe is one of those things that every time I make it, guests absolutely devour it. And they always ask me for the recipe. In fact, it's so good I made it for my French-themed Galentine's Day, along with a couple of other French-inspired recipes. And if you want, I'll put that in the description below if you want to check that out. This recipe is inspired by Ina Garten's black olive tapenade recipe, with a few twists of my own. And one of the twists is that I don't add anchovies to my tapenade for a couple of reasons. One, I think it makes it just a little bit too salty for my liking, so I omit that. Put a little bit less olive oil. But also, by not adding the anchovies, that means that my guests who are vegetarian or vegan can also enjoy the appetizer as well. Here's what you'll need. A half a cup of good olive oil, a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of capers, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, a jar of pitted kalamata olives, and then a teaspoon of fresh minced thyme. Combine the olives, capers, and garlic in a food processor, and then pulse it about 3 times. Next, add the olive oil, lemon juice, thyme, parsley, and mustard. And then combine in the food processor until they're just slightly chunky. Garnish with parsley and then serve with some fresh bread. So you don't just have to serve it with bread. You can serve it with crackers, you can serve it with pita, you can even serve it with crostini. Hey, and if you're looking for a really simple crostini recipe that really just only takes minutes to make and it tastes way better than the grocery store, I'm going to put a link for you here for my crostini recipe. I use it all the time and it works really nicely with this olive tapenade. There you have it. All it takes is just a few fresh ingredients and you've got yourself a super delicious black olive tapenade. Now, if you want more hosting tips and recipes, be sure to hit subscribe because I upload new videos every week. Everything designed to help make you a more confident hostess. So we're talking recipes, tips, ideas, DIYs, even a little bit of life advice thrown in. And if you could do me a favor, it helps me out tremendously. If you like what you saw here, if you hit that like button, let me know. That helps me continue creating content that you guys are gonna like. Until next time, happy hosting. Boop. Tips, DIYs, even some life advice, if I could get the word out. Try it again. Take 2.